Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to install Python 3.7.4. So in order to install Python, we have to download the Python from its official website. And here I have provided the link to download Python. So let's go ahead and I'm going to copy this link from here. I'm going to open Google Chrome. So here we have landed to the page for Python 3.7.4. And if we go down, we have a section for files over here. So what we have to download is, as per my system, I'm running Windows 10 on 64 version. So in order to do that, I have to download the 64 executable installer for my Windows 10. And if you have Windows 32, then you can download this version. So I'm going to click on this version. And as of now, there is Python 3.7.4 already downloaded in my system, but I'm going to walk you guys each step by step. So if you click here, it's going to start downloading Python executable installer. So once it downloads, it's going to ask where you have to save it. So you can save it over here. I'm not going to save it again since it's already saved. So let me go back to my Word document where I have provided you step by step how to download Python. So once you double click on the exe which we just downloaded, it's going to look something like this. So it's going to ask you whether you want to add Python 3.7 to the path. So by default, this will not be check marked. So you have to check this and click next. Once you click next, it's going to start installing and it's going to say setup was successful. So this shows that your Python was successfully set up. I would suggest that by default, leave the custom installation. So this is how you install Python. Now, in order to check whether Python is successfully installed or not, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check. I'm gonna open command prompt. I'm gonna type Python space dash dash version. So it should say Python 3.7.4. If it doesn't show you, it means that Python might have been installed, but it has not set up the environmental variable. So in order to check that, I'm going to go to environmental variables. So edit environmental variables for your account. In that, we have a variable by the name path. So we're going to double click. So there should be two settings for Python. So as we initially, while we were installing it, I told you to check mark add Python 3.7. So what it basically did, it added the environmental variable over here. So as you can see, my installation path till scripts and Python 3.7 has been added here, which means that Python has been successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.